Are you wondering how to use cloves for getting rid of tooth pain, and do they actually work for getting rid of toothache? So yep, I have some great news. In fact, this probably is a #1 solution if you have toothache and do not have any like crazy medicine to take for pain essentially. So again, especially for toothache, these probably are the #1 things that you can use. So not only they are actually totally antibacterial, so also for example if you have some abscess, again they can also help basically get rid of the bacterial infection a bit as well. Obviously these are not total miracle tools. I would say for maybe like medium pain they are okay. If you have like hardcore pain and if it's like very bad for you, obviously yeah, it's not a miracle obviously, and you need better intervention. But again, so for low to medium pain, again, these totally rock, I would say. Also, again, they're anti-inflammatory as well, which means, yeah, not only, again, they can reduce the inflammation, but also numb the area, exactly. So, and these work insanely fast, essentially. So, if you use basically like 1 or 2 cloves in your mouth, essentially, you can already start feeling effect in as little as maybe like 5 minutes. So, again, I'm not actually kidding. So, how to actually use them? So basically, so yeah, either you can get like cloves in this format, so in the raw format. Also I have seen they sell some powder of cloves or also clove oil. In my opinion, the most practical way is to simply get raw cloves like this, essentially. So if they are fresh cloves that has been like recently harvested, everything you do is you simply take 1 or 2 and simply put it in your mouth near your aching tooth. So there's a gum line exactly right on the tooth essentially, and keep it in mouth. Basically your saliva will basically soak into them and they will start to like release flavor. If you are feeling that they actually provide a lot of flavor, that's absolutely perfect. They're fresh and they should start working pretty much immediately essentially on your toothache. But if you actually insert basically them in mouth near the area and you can't feel any taste and also you can't feel any numbness for them, that probably means they're simply maybe like older stock. They have been sitting somewhere for a long time essentially and they're simply not fresh. So then what I would do is maybe take like a small container, fill it up with tiny bit of water, not much, just tiny bit like hot water, and put in some basically in the water for maybe like 5 minutes. So they should swell up a bit essentially and start releasing the yeah, whatever it's inside in them. And then again, so take it out outside the water, put near your teeth, and again they should work. And so how fast do they actually work? So in my experience, again, literally you can start feeling effect in maybe like 5 minutes of simply putting in the mouth. So the first effect, I would suggest you to keep them maybe in your mouth near the toothache for maybe up to half an hour essentially. So simply again, so yeah, the taste isn't anything bad from them essentially, so it's simple spice essentially, so you can easily keep it in your mouth for longer amount of time. So again, in maybe like 20-30 minutes, if you keep it in your mouth, if you have medium pain, it should get rid of most of it essentially. Of course, maybe it won't 100%, but again, so if you have like low to medium pain, again, so I guess in like 20-30 minutes, it should get rid of most of it essentially. And again, it numbs the area as well, obviously. So again, yeah, not only reduce inflammation, but again, numbs the area. So it doesn't, you simply stop feeling pain in that area if you put these nearby. Also, I have seen some people even suggest to put these in mouth and also chew on them as well. And so basically crumple them up, basically soak them up in your saliva and simply put again basically near your tooth. Obviously it's not the most practical way how to do that, but yeah, maybe it's the best if you have like larger pain. But for medium pain, small pain, again, I would simply like put near your tooth and that's it. Also I see they sell also like oil as well, of clove oil. Again, I have heard it's also quite potent, so again you might also use that. Maybe soak up basically some cotton ball with that oil, maybe just 1 or 2 drops, and again put near your tooth essentially, and again it should work. But yeah, so regular clove, again, if it's fresh, so you simply put it in mouth and in already like 5 minutes you should feel effect. So again, they work that fast. So yeah, when it comes to always how to get rid of toothache, again, this probably is number one. I can actually highly suggest it as well. Good luck.